Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Scotty with Western Material Handling. Today we're here excited to test drive stock number D21149. It's a good running Daewoo G30S-2. It's a 6,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. This unit is equipped with a 3-stage mast, side shift carriage, load backrests, 42-inch forks. It'll reach 188 inches. Has good, solid pneumatic tires. Never get a flat. There's the side shift action. He's going to run it up for us. Has a clean burning LP gas engine. Automatic transmission. New PM service and a great existing paint job. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins to see our inventory. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate it.